I'm going to demonstrate 4 features now, starting with SLEs, the service level experience of the clients, some of the AI capabilities like natural language interface, and the Marvis action, which is our self-driving network part, and finally the location piece. Coming to SLEs, so this is the dashboard what we see first when we log into Mist. Here we can see SLE is defined for wireless network, wired network. We can choose the site and we can choose the duration. And these are the metrics we are defining, which quickly captures how is the user experience on the network in terms of speed of connection, in terms of throughput, coverage, roaming, and other aspects. We can set the SLE metrics here. So in this case, for example, we have set time to connect as 2 seconds. So all the users should get connected to network within 2 seconds or else they fail the SLEs. You see like a lot of errors in this particular network. That's because we have purposefully inserted some errors, just for the demo purpose, just for your information. Let me go to this successful connects. We see that the success is only 60%. Let's try to drill down and identify what is the issue. Looks like authorization is causing most of the problems, almost 96%. So let me drill down a little bit. Here we can see how the problem is distributed across the users, across the access points, and we can see the timeline of the distribution of errors, the time during which the maximum error was occurring. And it also shows at that particular time, was there any config changes made or was there any optimization done by the network? So this kind of helps in further troubleshooting. And we can also see the distribution of the errors across the access points, WLANs, device types. And we can also see the most affected items in terms of users, access points, and application. So let me see here. For the users, the most affected user seems to be this particular client, which is Mist Pi 15. Looks like this is a IoT device, which is being used in the testbed. So let me drill down further. It kind of gives a summary of the issue. Pardon for the slow response. Yeah, the summary states, okay, the failure is client specific and most of it is happening on a testbed SSID, testbed access point, and this particular WLAN. So I can go further down and look at even the events associated with this error. So as I said earlier, we are collecting close to 150 state information of every client every minute. And we filter out all the bad events and we even do a packet capture, at that particular error situation. So in this example, whenever the authorization failure happened, we have even captured the packet. So this kind of shows the power of Mist platform. So we have eliminated most of the level 1 support with this kind of a workflow. We can identify the issue, we can identify the root cause, and we can even do the debugs and packet captures to quickly identify whether it's a config issue or a firmware issue or anything associated with other devices, like apart from the Wi-Fi. So that's about SLE dashboard. So let me go back to the AI capabilities. I'll start with the natural language interface, which we call it as a Marvis. You can see some of the commands here. So you can type all these commands in simple English and get most of the network operations tasks done from this dashboard. Let me try to run some commands. Say locate a user. In this case, username is Denali. So it shows where the user is located in the network in terms of site, floor plan, and the AP and the location. So like that, we can say unhappy users today. So who are the clients having problems today? So it shows up a bunch of clients here, and we can drill down from this dashboard and identify the service levels and perform like various other functions. And we can perform even the troubleshooting aspects from this dashboard. Here I'm troubleshooting this user Denali. So it looks like most of the things are good, but looks like one access point was being rebooted for some reason. And if we investigate further, we can look at the service levels, classifiers, correlations, and many other things, like which helps in quickly root causing the issue and taking some resolution actions. So that's about the Marvis. And we have taken this AI capability to the next level, which is what this Marvis Actions is all about. So Marvis Actions does not wait for the users to enter the command like troubleshoot the client or troubleshoot this particular network. It proactively hunts the problem in the network and it shows up what actions need to be taken in order to rectify. And this runs across multiple elements of the network. So in this example, for the switch, it has identified 5 actions. 3 actions are related to missing VLANs. So some of the ports are having missing VLANs and there is a bad cable situation and there was a negotiation mismatch, and we can even assign these kind of errors to some other IT person to drive the actions. So that's about Marvis. And finally, the location piece. So as I explained earlier, so missed access points not only includes the Wi-Fi capability, but also has BLE and IoT capabilities as well. So BLE is a very interesting piece, which can give a very accurate location in a fast and timely manner compared to any other technologies, especially related to Wi-Fi. So in this example, we are seeing the dashboard or the floor plan rather, and on the floor plan we are able to identify the location of 4 different network elements. We can see the Wi-Fi clients, which are identified in purple, and we can see the mobile app clients, which are using pure BLE for location tracking purpose, and we can see the beacons. We have this patented capability called virtual beacons, which we can insert on the floor plan, and we can drive location specific engagements. And finally, the assets. We can also track the assets which are tagged with BLE tags. So in summary, we can see how Mist has completely redefined the network operations and also how it has made network more business relevant.